If you woke up this morning and discover that one of the companies that you own have paid cash into your account, how will you feel? Refreshing, soothing, calm, peaceful. You know the adjective. That is how so many of us are feeling presently. As I speak to you, as at the time of recording this training, about 15 companies have declared interim dividends to be paid to their shareholders. The big question is, do you have shares in any of these 15 companies? And if you don't, another question is, should I delve into obtaining their shares, especially now that there is a corporate announcement? We are going to look into it and you will decide what you should do. My name is Nicholas. It is Wealth Portfolio Builder. Here you teach you how to make money, how to manage money, and how to multiply money legitimately through the stock market, through any legitimate investment, and of course, through real estate cashback. I'll be right back. Hold on, go nowhere. And remember, like, share, and subscribe. I'll be right back. You are welcome back. So without wasting much of your time, we'll go straight into the business of the day. First and foremost, what is interim dividend? Interim dividends are dividends paid by the company to shareholders before the release of their full financial statement for the year. And companies do this when they have a strong financial earnings for the first half of the year, and of course a healthy cash flow. There are about 15 companies, as at the time of shooting this video, there are about 15 companies that have declared their interim dividend for the year 2026. On our list here, we'll just take a couple of them. Number one is African Prudential, 10 kobo per share. You have Custodian, 25 kobo per share. You have Guinness, 7 naira per share. HBMNG, 16 naira per share. MTN, 26 naira per share. Presco, 10 naira per share. Seplat is not paying naira, they are paying in dollar denominated, 12 cents per share. The Initiate, 20 kobo per share. Transcorp Hotels, 10 kobo per share. Transcorp Company, 40 kobo per share. Transcorp Power, 1 naira, 50 kobo per share. United Capital, 30 kobo per share. Unilever, 2 naira per share, and of course VFD Group, 24 kobo per share. The companies are doing massively well for themselves. Another interesting thing that you discover that these shares, this dividend payment cuts across diverse sectors. You have the telecom, you have the financial services, you have the agriculture, you have the oil and gas spread across. And just one other thing that you observe, that the Transcorp group, they are also represented, rewarding their investors. You see Transcorp Group, you see Transcorp Powers, and you see the Transcorp Hotel doing real well for themselves. And another thing you also observe there, that MTN is leading the way with 26 naira. They are doing massively well for themselves. So the question is that now that the companies have made their corporate announcement, should you rush into the market to buy? What do you do? The first thing, you need to sit down and decide why you are going into the stock market. Are you going for the long term? And you are going to go for company with quality shares. Don't you just go and buy and eventually you have your fingers burned. You have to understand the fundamentals. Who are the ones managing this company? Is this dividend sustainable? Is this something that they have done this year and they are going to do it the following year? That the company, you check their equity, debt to equity, are they doing well for themselves? Are they owing, or are you just saying it on paper? So if you're able to itemize these things, then you can be able to take decisions. Remember, profit sharing is something they do. This is interim. It means that all things being equal, that by the end of this year, into the first quarter or the second quarter of next year, depending on when they normally pay their final dividend, you will be gladly rewarded. My name is Nicholas, and we know that this has added value to you, that you sit down, you check it before you delve into it, you qualify. Otherwise, an alternative is for you to wait. As soon as they have paid, there will be a drop down in the value, that you can go there and buy, preparing for the final final dividend that will be paid maybe during their pay. You, of course, you will hear the corporate announcement for next year when they will pay. It can be in February, it can be in March, it can be April, it can be May, it can be June. We hope that today's training has added value to you, and all those money that you're wasting here and there, you can start up something. Open a stockbroking account with any of the stockbroking firm. Come to Wealth Portfolio Builder, listen to instructions, take your decisions after you must have listened and done your research. Remember, here we teach you how to make money, how to manage money, and how to multiply money. We want you to like, we want you to share, and we want you to comment which of the shares, which of the companies you are going to buy. And after that, we want you to subscribe if you have not subscribed. God bless you. See you at the top. Keep showing up. You never know when we'll come up with quality videos that will put money in your pocket. God bless you. Bye.